Drop that shit, man.
Here we go again, Tomi and the town cat. They're coming through, these bitches representing it to the fullest now. Tomi say, fuck them other hoes, they had no problem with me, especially Rakia. Step the fuck away from me, they keep my dogs to me. You never gon' win, you selling your soul for your booty hole. Ain't nobody in a bite you to the party, reject your ass out of here. Throw your head in the downstairs, that's supposed to go at right now, Rakia. We sick of that bitch ass shit you be standing on. I hold it down for Red Fox, she got my back for sure. Red Fox up, whoever take. Get the hands on Rakia, win Jones. She in the Connecticut, New York, bustin' with them police officer. We don't short the wreck, snake just like Rakia. We don't get you where you coming from. We don't give a fuck what you talk about. I know no gang bang get clicked. They don't get shot the fuck up. We stand too. And kiss your boo. When she got you, but what you want in the position now, Rakia. She's the boo, she got you. She run through that shit like it's up there. Same with KK, she just put the foot down your neck. Rakia, we sick of all that rat shit you be standing on big all life. We sick of better with the fuck shit now. I say well, Lady Bay, she know everything, the operation behind that scene. Now you turn her back on me. I had that time cat on the back end. I know everything about Rocky to win, yo. I want you to pull up in Baltimore, Maryland. I wait for this moment. She gon' lose the fight anyway. She been the buzz in my rear view mirror. I can smoke it up like a pack of new purple hunts. Trying to understand that. I got the Glock 40 for this, compare for the fight for Rocky and win. She about to go off the winner, ho.